Okay, quick update. Got the joiner all ready to go. Needs another coat of wax on the table, but cleaned up and ready, and all the everything's working, and I've had it hooked up and running. The sawdust kitchen basin's in. I've got the drill press set up right now, but I've got it set up in pin router mode, and then I can remove the pin and use that big follower bit there to cut the outside of guitars. Turn around this way, I got my trusty old Shopsmith bandsaw that's been cutting that 2.5 inch sycamore with no problem, and some 1 inch maple. I got it hooked to my new digital shorty I built right here. Treadmill motor and a free total shop. So a free treadmill motor and a free total shop. I'm gonna put an RPM gauge in it, so I'm fixing to spend $15 on it. I got this real cool sander right here. It sands every kind of direction in the world. And it's got a roller on the side. It turns and goes down sideways and does all kind of things. And I think I'm gonna put a block, take this plate out right here. See this? I think I'm gonna take that plate out and come down to about right there, but make it thicker, and then come down here and make it thicker where it'll fit between the transitions in a guitar neck from there to there, and be able to shape a guitar neck with that right there. Just lay it down, get it where you can work with it. So there's that set up. So I have got my stable of all of that runs together. Just move the motor 3 inches left or right according to which one you want to run. This here runs as drill press. The router you see now lays down and becomes a table saw. While it's laid down, it becomes a lathe, and it's also got the joiner on it. And I got an extra one sitting right here that's for sale. So there you go. Somebody can own that. And somebody can own that one right there. 10 ER. It's all ready to go and jam up. So, hey, get in touch. I got them to go. And, yep, I'm really proud of this one. I serviced it today, oiled it, greased it, went through everything, found out why the handle was all tight in it, got that loosened up, and it just spins up like crazy now. So, hey, we got overhead routing ability in a big way here. Let's see. Let me raise this up. Take some pressure off of it. There we go. Get it up off the pin. I don't want it on the pin. So I'm going to turn it on. Y'all ready? There we go. So that's how we run in that one. And this one over here, I don't have it plugged in right now, or I'd make it run for you. Well, let's just do it while we got it in our hand, okay? No, hold on, let's get some power. I'm gonna power up. I'll cut this out. I got this where I can get it. I'm glad, because I'm having dyslexia with this electrical cord. Okay. This here is the Westlow G30 Total Shop. Made a shorty. It's got wheels on it, short rails, power head in the middle with a DC treadmill motor. Got a bandsaw on that end, nice sander on that end, and let me show you how it runs. You take this standard treadmill key, you plug it in like that, and the display comes up. See it? And we're going to mash this button, and this bandsaw should start running when we do. So let's see. Oh, it ain't going to run. I got the shaft taken apart. Look. I took the shaft out of it to run something else. Because well, I'm going to show you what I got going. Hey, but before I go, y'all remember this. Them likes are free. Thumbs it up for me, guys. Let's go show you what I got going. Let's mosey to the other side of the shop. It's a little dark in here right now because, well, I have light problems. I'll take you in for a view. Ready? See those 4 adapters on the table right there? Those are to connect those 2 tools together on the total shop, or the Shopsmith. So, yep. They're printing out. You put a piece of wooden dowel between them. So, yep. So, folks, that's a quick look at the shape of the Shopsmith stuff at this point. We got a lot done in 2 days. We got that machine all running. It's still running. Check it out. It's still just to get it. You want to hear it go zoom? Watch this. Wonder how fast that is. Put in a guess on this video, and because I want to know what your thoughts are. I'm buying an RPM tachometer so we can find out. But yeah, let me hit the stop button and shut her down. And hey, we're gonna let it run, see what it's doing. And hey, thank y'all for dropping in. Another day at the shops with old Frugal Fixer here. We'll see what comes up next. Stay out of trouble.